Creating a Solana meme coin involves several steps, including token creation, smart contract deployment, and liquidity provision. Here's a guide on how to make a Solana meme coin. Token creation. Use a token creation platform or smart contract to create your Solana meme coin. Define parameters such as token name, symbol, total supply, and initial distribution. Smart contract deployment. Deploy a smart contract on the Solana blockchain to manage your meme coin. You can use programming languages like Rust or JavaScript to develop and deploy the contract. Token minting. Mint the initial supply of your meme coin according to the parameters set in the smart contract. This creates a token and makes it available for distribution. Distribution. Distribute a newly minted meme coin to users through various channels, such as airdrops, giveaways, or token sales. Ensure transparency and fairness in the distribution process. Liquidity provision. Provide liquidity for your meme coin by listing it on decentralized exchanges like Serum or Radium. Create trading pairs with other tokens to enable trading. Community engagement. Engage with the community to promote your meme coin and encourage adoption. Utilize social media, forums, and community platforms to build awareness and foster community participation. Continuous development. Continuously improve and develop your meme coin by incorporating community feedback, implementing new features, and maintaining liquidity.